Hello and welcome to Assamese Defense Analysis. Friends, the US and its European allies have steadily increased economic sanctions on Russia since first imposing them in 2014. The stated purpose of sanctions is to punish Russia for its involvement in Ukraine. India is not a member of blocs such as North Atlantic Treaty Organization, that means NATO, or European Union, and hence sanctions announced by countries such as US, UK and EU members following Russia's attack on Ukraine aren't blinding on it. India doesn't recognize any unilateral sanctions. Russia is important for India because it is one of the main suppliers of defense hardware and technology, and state-run energy firms have invested in Russian oil and gas blocs. India Oil Corporation, Oil India Limited and Bharat Petro Resources Limited have invested more than 13.6 billion US dollar in Russian oil and gas industry. Russia is an age-old friend of India, and it is an important ally because of strategic reasons. However, Russia is a major producer of oil and gas. Hence, any supply disruption means rising cost of energy for India. According to the Commerce Minister, India's bilateral trade with Russia during 2022-21 amounted to 8.1 billion US dollar. Indian exports totaled 2.6 billion US dollar, while imports from Russia amounted to 5.5 billion US dollar. The sanctions will not only deeply impact India's defense trade with Russia, they will adversely impact New Delhi's with Moscow when it comes to other commodities such as engineering goods, automobile component, pharmaceuticals, telecom equipment and agricultural products. India has a long-standing cooperation with Russia in the field of defense. The fear is that the new sanctions may have an impact on India's defense import in the absence of a new payment mechanism. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.